Due to this, there will be a lower table of water in the subsurface area of our Earth. We should move to next slide to understand the scarcity of drinking water in cities. You know there is a scarcity of water in the whole world, but the same dilemma is in Pakistan that there is a scarcity of water in some cities and some cities are con- has contaminated underground water. For example, according to the United Nations report of 2006 or 2011, the some cities of Pakistan has the impurities from the arsenic and magnesium in groundwaters that are fatal for the health of all living beings. Now we will discuss the 4 points which are showing on slide in the mind map of reasons of scarcity of drinking water. The rapid urbanization, climate change, the ground surface of urban areas, lack of proper city planning. These four are the reasons which are shortening our drinking water. You know, when there is a society or there is a community or a town, the town has some needs of drinking water and their domestic or their use of domestic water needs for their domestic use in addition to drinking. There is a more consumption of water with the rapid urbanization and there will be no access proper drinking water to the population of that particular society or town which are built by unmanaged societies. Number two, climate. We have discussed in previous slides that climate change is a big reason for scarcity of recharge of our groundwater. Due to this, we have shortage in groundwater as well as drinking water. We mostly Pakistan uses the groundwater as drinking water except some cities which are along the coast of Sindh and Makran. For example, there Karachi and the southern Sindh is using the river waters for drinking after some treatment and cleaning out. Now we discuss the ground surface of urban areas. We have already discussed that with the buildings and other development in the urban areas, there will be no bare soil or land and there will be concrete infrastructure, roads and asphalt roads are available in urban areas so that there would be no seepage in the ground, and there will be no recharge of water. Thus, the groundwater table go lower and lower. Thus, the population face the scarcity of drinking water problem in cities. And other big reason for scarcity of drinking water is lack of proper city planning. When we have not planned cities, there will be no access to the clean water, clean and drinking water for the population of that particular city which is built unplanned. We should properly plan the cities which have enough access of fresh water for drinking to the population of that area or that particular city. I hope you have understand the whole 4 points of scarcity of drinking water in cities. Now it is time to move ahead and discuss next points, which are ways to solve shortage of water in Pakistan. These are the ways how we can solve the shortage of water in Pakistan. Number one, implementation of city planning. We should implement our city planning, reduction of deforestation. We should reduce the cutting of our trees, and we should not weed out the vegetation. Number three, use of better irrigation water management strategies. There should be well organized, managed irrigation system which use less water and provide huge amount of cultivation. Number four, treatment of urban sewage water. We should use to adopt the different methods which are available in the developed countries for the treatment of urban sewage water, and we should practice these procedures to clean our sewage water for our agricultural use or different or industrial use. Now it is time to ensure equitable water distribution. We should plan an equitable distribution to our domestic, industrial, and agricultural fields. Now we will see a question. Describe the four ways to solve the shortage of water in Pakistan. We have already discussed these 4 points. You can read the slide, and if you want to write, you can write the question answer of this question from this slide. Now we should move to next. It is types of precipitation. There are liquid and solid precipitation. Classification of precipitation is solid precipitation and liquid precipitation. In solid, we are seeing snow and hail. In liquid precipitation, drizzle and rain are included. At sleet, it is mix of rain and snow, and it is referred to as sleet. Sleet is a form which is mixture of rain and snow, and it is referred to as sleet. Next, we discuss virga, the form of precipitation that evaporates before reaching the surface. It forms only streaks of rain. Now go to next. These are also the points of previous slides, which explanation you can write these solid precipitation and liquid precipitation from this slide. And now it is time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.